More of the YouTube Live Archie here with another night vision. I have not been able to get out in the woods where I wanted to, but I wanted to. I took the camera out tonight walking the pug, and I actually did get something very strange in noise. I'm not done with the video, as you can see. It's a 9-minute video. We're stuck at 5:03. So, but like I say, I've already caught something standing by a set of woods that where I normally walk all the time. But this noise is just sounds like a fucking teleport. There is wind that comes in after this, but when the noise comes about, it sounds like some strange teleport. You'll hear it in a minute now. Mind you, this is outside, right in the woods, or near the woods, on the ridge of it. You hear the dog in the background rustling in leaves, because he's doing his business and everything, but to get this kind of noise, and it's not wind. It sounds something like a teleport kind of sound. Space sound, you should say. So, getting stuff like this on the camera already, and I'm not even been out to the set of woods yet that I want to get to. And it is on the outskirts of where I'm going to go soon. I might try maybe tonight. I'm going to see what happens. But I just wanted to go over this in the next 3-4 minutes of this video, because the sound is just very space-like, mind you. What kind of space-like sound do you get when you're not you can't, here's a camera right here. You cannot goddamn edit this stuff into there. And where I'm putting it in here on the TV right now, and this is how I'm doing videos off of this camera. I have no computer to do it, so, but coming from a TV with loud volume and stuff, to me is kind of better. But, like I say, this noise is very strange, bizarre, and it sounds like a damn teleport. Like, so say if you see a space sci-fi movie, and you hear like a doo-doo-doo-doo friggin' type noise as they teleport through another dimension, or, that type of thing, and that's what it sounds like to me. So, it's just the things I catch, boy. I don't know, call me crazy, but let's listen to the sound and you decide what this sounds like. And I'm going to play it back a couple times so we all get the feel of it. So, ready? It comes on about 5:06 or 5:05, so it's at 5:03. So, just bear with me and let's see what comes out. Oops, wrong button. Technical difficulties. Here we go. Ah, yes, hear that? Let's back that up. And one more time. Oops, wrong way. Do that one more time. I'm going to turn the volume up a little louder. Ah, shoot. Bear with me, another mistake happened. At the damn... Let me do that again because I damn hit the damn lower volume. Alright, here we go. I think I'll do that one more time so you can hear it. Get a visual of it. Let me turn that up a little more. That being said, unbelievable. Now, if that was wind, because wind does kick in afterwards, I mean, it must be hitting this microphone in sound wave patterns to make it do funky sounds, maybe. Say the wind blows in and comes out of the holes or what, I don't know. That to me right there, I just played that back I don't know how many times. I'll do it one more time, and then I'm going to continue to watch the video to see what else comes out. Whoops. Let me rewind that, pause it. And see what else comes out, because at this point, I mean, I didn't watch this whole video yet, but I had to stop it here and get that on tape. Like I said, I'm going to play one more time and see what else comes out in this video now. Mind you, I did not talk. I mean, there is going to be a lot of rustling in the leaves because the dog is going to do his business. But, I mean, just to catch that noise and all in the mix of me walking in an area now that I heard a strange noise just a few days ago, I mean, it's just unbelievable what I catch. That thing is just, I don't know, that is not wind. And there's no way that's edited stuff, because as you see, I recorded this. This is a digital camera, and you need a computer to do that. And to me, that noise there, wow. It just blows my mind when I catch stuff like this. So I'm going to play it one more time, and I'm going to let the play run on through and see what else I caught. That being said, I'll turn this down a little. There's a car in the background. Let me see what else comes out. That's the dog sneezing. And when just before all that happened, I mean, oh, wait a minute. Pause for real quick before I go on. I just want to mention just before all that happened and that noise happened. In the beginning of the video, I was standing across the street. And I mean, the dog kept staring and looking back and forth, looking over in that direction of the woods. You know, a lot lately, this dog has just been literally stopped staring. Then he did another thing that he did before and literally come up to me and sniff my leg, like as to say, and when animals are able to see beyond the dead, and the dog coming up to sniff my leg like that, hey, is that you or something? I mean, that's what I get vibes from. The dog literally sniffed my leg twice, then turned around and started looking back out, you know, towards the darkness. There's nothing there. So, I know there's something around here, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm dying to get to some place. And I swear to God, man, if anybody has a haunted place that they know of, abandoned building, I don't care. Let me know. Something I know I can get into without getting in trouble. You know, I'll do it. And I guarantee that I will bring forth whatever's in that area. So, that being said, I'm going to finish out this video and see if I caught any other noises. Oh boy, not good. Technical difficulties. Oh shit. Yeah, damn you. Oh, what the hell's that happened? What the hell? Yeah, that's not good. What the hell? Oh man, I hope I didn't break nothing. That'd suck. Son of a... What the hell happened here? How the hell is that going? Wow, I can see more into the woods. But there's no sound. Ah, shit. Oh, that's not good. What the hell just happened? Now that's badass right there. When I do these videos, as you can see earlier, there was just a white marking down below. I couldn't see all this. Oof. I hope that's not a bad thing. Damn, what the hell's going on here, though? That is neat, though, but... shit. I ain't getting no volume on, but I can see. But that's not what I want. What the hell just happened? Oh, shit. Oh, I hope I didn't break nothing, you bastard. Oh, man, that just bites. Hang on a sec. Gotta check this out. What the fuck? What? Oh, come on, man. This is not good. Yeah. Not good. Now I gotta rewind and see what the hell happened. Oh, there's a volume up there, but it says it's on. Oh, man. What the hell is going on? I like to know how I got this vision, though. That vision is better than the last vision. This camera does more than that I don't know. Ooh. Something just shot by. What the hell? Whoa. Huh. I don't know what just happened, but... Whoa. Shit shooting by galore in this video. It's showing more stuff than what was there before, but... Yeah, man. I just missed the noise. Where's my audio? What the hell happened? I'm probably gonna have to shut this down and figure out what the hell went wrong here. That sucks. But it is a better vision though, being at night. I like that vision better, you can see more. Now I can figure out how to get that on the... Look at that shit. That's where the noise... Oh man. There's a lot of shit flying around me that I didn't see before, but I don't like how my audio ain't up. I'm gonna have to figure this. Ooh. Wow. Whatever happened here gave me a better visual. Shit flying by, but... Damn, what the hell is that shit? I gotta figure this out. Go through some stuff, but I'll get back to you on that. Hang on, I'll be back before you know it. See what else I catch. Out.